Today we are looking at a trash compactor installed on an Airbus 330neo. Let's get to it by unlocking the latches in order to open the door. Take out the box and pull the small internal handle to release the door behind and check for any FOD. Reset the handle and make sure the door inside is closed. Insert the box and close the front door and latch it. Once the sensors detects a proper closing of the door and latch, signal is sent for ready to compact. Next, click the compact button and observe the platen compacts and retracts back. Operational check done.